Hey guys, welcome back to Obakhas Geeks. In this video I'm going to show you how to create Reddit account, and let's get started. Now the first step you need to do on your PC is to open your favorite browser. Then once you're on your browser, you need to open this link reddit.com. Then once the link is open, you will land to a page like this, right? So this is the official Reddit website. Now to create a new account, in the top right corner of your screen, click on sign up button. Then this small window will pop up. Now here you can choose to continue with Google, Apple, or you can still provide your email address. So I just give my email address down here. Then once you're done, just click on continue. Then next here you need to choose a username and password. Then once you're done, you need to check this box right here to confirm you're not a robot. Then click on sign up in the bottom right corner of this window, and your account will be created. But there are still some few steps to complete the process, the account setup process. Now you need to follow this prompt or skip if you are not interested to fill them. Like first you have to select your gender. Then once you're done, choose the topic you're interested in, and next here you can join communities that are related to the topic you selected. So after that, to style your avatar or profile icon, and once you're done, now the final step is to verify your email address. So now you need to open your email address and click on the link that Reddit sent to your email. So once you're done, email address that is associated to your Reddit account will be verified. So guys, so that's how you can set up, or that's how you can create a Reddit account. So hope you found this video useful. If you did, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.